Hello everyone, I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Korean. Today I'll try to do the 4G data speed test comparison between the Realme X2 Pro versus the Mi 11X device. So this is a question which was asked by one of my subscribers, asking me to just compare these both phones in terms of the 4G data. So I think the subscriber has the Realme X2 Pro and he want to know how much the Realme X2 Pro can handle the 4G speeds and when compared with the Mi 11X device. So let's see friends, which phone will be having the better 4G data connection. And during this time of testing, I'll be using the Idea SIM card, so which is a 4G SIM, so which is also the V SIM, as you can see. So right now I did use only Idea SIM, so there is no other SIM here. So I'll try to use the same SIM card from this phone to this phone. So in case if you're enjoying my content, so make sure to subscribe to my channel friend, and also don't forget to like this video. So let's begin this kind of testing first in this Mi 11X device. So right now I'm trying to do the testing of 4G data in my Mi 11X. So right now the 4G speeds are close to 40 and 40 Mbps, as you can see clearly. So 40 Mbps and 42 Mbps right now, 43, 44, 45, 47, 51. As you can see friends, I'm trying to use only the 4G data, so there is no Wi-Fi connection, only 4G. So this is with a vSIM, so which is the Idea. So right now I'm trying to use. So I'll try to do the test second time, so we'll get to know the results. So when you're doing 2 times testing, so let me try to do the second time also the testing, so we'll be able to see the results. So once we do the second time, so then I'll try to transfer the same SIM card from this phone to this phone, and then we'll be able to test the performance of the 4G data actually it is. So right now the second time when you're trying to do, we are getting the results of close to 30 Mbps, not much, but so 31 Mbps, and upload speeds were close to 8 and 10 Mbps, as you can see friends, 7, 8. So overall we'll take the maximum into the consideration. So the maximum will be the 50 Mbps which got recorded in this device, in the Mi 11X device. So 51.5, as you can see friends, 51.5. So let me try to remove the SIM card from this phone. So I'm trying to remove the SIM card. So I'll try to use the same SIM card in this Realme X2 Pro. So in this way we'll get to know the results, how it is in the real time, so which phone is faster and better. So let me try to start connecting. So the SIM is now successfully installed in this phone in the Realme X2 Pro. So let me try to keep this phone aside. So we are getting the signals right now, little by little. As you can see, the signals are just now connected. So it is a speed test application, so which I'll try to test right now. So let's see friends, how much score we'll be able to get in this particular smartphone. So let's see. So I'll be trying to select the same kind of server only. So let's see whether this phone will be able to detect the same server or not. That is another thing. So let's see friends, what will be the results in this phone if you're comparing with both this side by side. So we'll get to know all the results right now, and it's still connecting. So right now it's the same server, it got selected, and let me try to show you the results. As you can see friends, it's coming close to 35, 36 only. It did not reach 50 Mbps, but you can clearly see the difference, how much it is between this both phones. It's kind of double speed we are getting in this phone, in the Mi 11X device, and the ping value is also really less, which is 18 milliseconds, and here the ping value is 24 milliseconds, as you can see here. So let me try to do the testing second time, so we'll be getting to know the results in the second time as well, how much the results are in this phone. In the second time it went up to 42, 41. So the highest I think it can reach with this V SIM, which is Idea SIM, so maybe close to 40 in this Realme X2 Pro. But in the Mi 11X device, sometimes it even went up to I think close to 55 Mbps as well sometimes, and the upload speeds are really less when compared with the Mi 11X device. Upload speeds are less, as you can see friends clearly. So overall friends, the clear winner is the Mi 11X device in terms of the 4G data speed test connection, which has scored really high score with a 51 Mbps. So it doesn't matter how many times I do testing in this phone, so still the phone is able to reach only 30, not 30 and 40, that's it, not 50. So the highest recorded is 33.5, and this is the highest. You can compare both speeds side by side. So thank you friends for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more in-depth comparisons, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.